ready to roll, baby. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, dog. Time to go, dog.
For your safety and the safety of others, we ask that you abide by the following stadium guidelines.
Stay healthy.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go, baby. We gotta go do it one play at a time, right? Go 60 minutes. Communicate, right? Be nice and loud. And after that, go execute, play with great passion, great energy, great effort. You got me? Lay it on the line for your brother. Let's go, LB. 1, 2, 3. LBs.
What's up, fellas? And show these boys what you about. Make sure they feel you. Let's go, dogs on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Let's go, baby. Everybody's working. Good job.
But if we come along and play the way we are capable next week, and the week after, and the week after, and finish this thing the way it ought to be finished, and then people understand those guys got something to them. They don't quit. They're relentless.